Now that you have some audio playlists and digital signs ready to roll, let's organize them into schedules. Click on Schedules, and here you can see a list of available schedules. You can see whether it's an audio or video schedule, whether its video portions are in landscape or portrait, and you can see if it contains promotional audio content and whether it's active or not. Once again, anytime you aren't clear what an icon means, hover over it for a descriptive tooltip. Let's make a digital signage schedule first. Click on Add Schedule. Let's make the schedule type video. By default, video schedules are set to landscape, which means it will play your signs horizontally, the way TV screens are normally set up. Some companies like to add a little style by positioning the screens on their signs to create a tall, narrow presentation. In this case, you would select Portrait. We'll stick with landscape for now. We'll call this schedule Dinner Video and give it a start time, along with checking all effective days. If you want to customize the visual transitions between scheduled shows, you can do that here as well. The active checkbox makes this schedule available to use. You'll need to save the schedule before you can add content, so let's do that. Now we can scroll down to Scheduled Shows and select a start time for each show. Clicking the pencil on the right will let you browse directly to each show and make edits. Clicking the red X will delete the show from the schedule. The checkbox at the end allows you to select multiple shows in the schedule, and below, click Repeat to copy these shows to the end for a repeat performance. Your video schedule is now ready, so let's make an audio schedule. Once again, click on Add Schedule, and here we'll select Audio. We'll call this one Dinner. Select a start date and time, along with the days we want the schedule to play, and a daily stop time when the location is closed or the music should stop playing for the day. If you want the schedule to be available for use, please be sure to check Active. Under Scheduled Audio, select a playlist and the time you want it to start. Here you can also designate whether you want the next playlist in the schedule to take over exactly at its designated time by selecting Firm. Otherwise, the schedule will allow the last song or promotional clip to finish playing before starting the next playlist. You can also select Random, and the schedule will select a random position on the playlist as its starting point every time. Delete and the Repeat checkbox are also available here. You can also schedule promotional content. Click on Schedule Promotions, and the screen is similar, but has a few new options. Select your promotional playlist and starting time the same way as in music scheduling, but here you can also specify how often you want an item from this promotional playlist injected. Let's say we want an ad played every 10 songs, so we type in 10, and now every 10 songs, a clip from this playlist will be added in like a commercial. Click Save to continue. Our schedules are now complete and ready to use.